So this is baizai. What is baizai? Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage that has been chopped and chopped and chopped and chopped and chopped. And this is ground pork. Churro. Ground pork.
这个酱油，香油，蚝油，
那个什么不知道？
香油，这个。姜，这是这个，这个，还有这个。
And ginger. Got it. So raw cut ginger and powdered ginger. Chinese 5 spices. And green onions. Or maybe... And black pepper.
再加盐、油。
And this has oyster sauce and light soy sauce.
Yummy.
And this might be sesame
Yummy.
oil.
Yes. Oh.
这也搁，知道吧？这也搁，这也搁了。
This is probably
味精，
MSG.
那不是不对，
Okay.
哎，那是味精。
And it's worth noting that once you make a given stuffing, in this case, baizai Napa cabbage with ground pork,
这是味精。
you can put it into either the dumplings or the steamy buns or maybe the pancakes. There's a lot of different stuffing food.
在这儿。
Oh. Gotta crush the water out of the baizai, out of the Napa cabbage.
挤干水。
It has too much water in it. So you crush the water out of the baizai. You can see it running through her fingers right there. And then you put the crushed Napa cabbage, chopped Napa cabbage in with the ground pork and spices.
搁上盐，10分钟。10分钟。
Okay.
拌上以后10分钟。再挤水。
So you put the water from the baizai, the Napa cabbage, with salt, and you let it hold for an amount of time
你看出多少水？
that I didn't actually catch. It has to soak.
你看多少？
No, it's not soaking at all. It's just going down the drain. Okay.
这会儿再搁。
Peanut oil.
搁这个。 好了。
Somewhere between a half cup and a cup, maybe 3/4. And mix it up. Mix it all up. V, can you mix this? Can you mix it till it smells good? It does smell really good. It's probably the sesame oil that gives it that wonderful smell.
搁一点糖。白糖。
That is baitang, white sugar.
一点点。
Just a little bit. Just a little bit of white sugar.
提鲜的。 个方向。
These are about the size of maybe a ping pong ball. Trying to think of something to give a size reference.
你小。
This is just to give a size reference, some ordinary item from around the house. Anna is something of a snob when it comes to flour. She tried a lot of different kinds of flour when she came to the US, but King Arthur was the only flour that she liked. And these are the wrappers for the dumplings that she's making right now. After she rolls out all the wrappings, then we'll put the stuffing inside and we'll close them.
我再从头来一个啊。
Okay, make your hand a little round, a little bit round, okay.
这样。
Then she's going to pull those two edges out a little bit to make it go all the way around, and then pinch it from one side and then all the way from the other side.
来，来给你弄吧，往中间，往中间弄。哎，往中间，哎，把这个弄进去。哎，来，这大手指。 这儿压一下，这样，哎，别弄别，来，搓手上，这儿捏一下，知道吗？来，哎，这个您的手，你不行，出来了，这样，来，奶奶给你推进去啊，哎，用这儿呢。
I want to be able.
来，这个推进去，哎，由这儿，好，好
Good, good. Okay, can you do another?
奶奶，这个，拿着，我要搁里头，
我给你弄，
我要搁，
你不要搁多，你包不进去，知道
我要搁，
奶奶包大馅儿，你包小馅儿，知道吧？哎，搁你手上， 好了，好了，好了。
Okay. It doesn't have to be picture perfect, sweetie. You're gonna eat it in 20
Since I know.
seconds.
Since I know some. And 20 seconds?
Yeah, it takes. How long does it take to eat one dumpling?
Well, you
这样
can't
的，
eat it
先把中间
now.
先把中间捏上，哎，来搁你手上，
The first thing you do is pinch it in the middle, then pinch it from the outside.
使劲捏，
Good.
往那边
And
捏
pinch it the other side.
没事儿，
但是好吗？
你等它熟练了就不好看了，知道吗？
但是这个也好看吗？
好看，时间长了你就会了。
How
就好
can
看了
does it look good? Does it look beautiful?
好了，来我看看，来我查查，检
好吗？
查检查，好，
好看吗？
好看，
我要看看，我要看看。
是不是好看？
Is it good?
好，
Okay. Can you do the next one?
好了，哎呀，
会不会是饺子？
饺子你看是不是像那个猫耳朵似的？是不是？ 好，
我还要做。
给。哎，你的手好凉啊！你是不是冷啊？
我不能。
初龙的手怎么那么凉？ 面团儿，
So you start with a big ball of dough. And you push your thumbs through the middle so it makes like a donut,
这样的，
and you stretch it out. Cut one end of your donut. Makes it straight. Good job, sweetie.
奶奶，
嗯，
好吗？
好，
Unfortunately, I didn't see Grandma making the dough, but I think it's just flour, water, salt, kind of the usual. I don't think there's any yeast in it.
Yeast?
Yeast is used to make bread, sweetie.
What's yeast?
Yeast with a Y. Y-E-A-S-T. Yeast is used to make bread. It makes the bread pop up. It makes it expand.
I think it actually does use it.
She uses yeast in the dough for the jiaozi and the baozi. Maybe
not-
baozi, but not. I don't
Not
think she uses it.
jiaozi, but maybe she uses it in this too.
Oh,
包子、饺
maybe.
子、
Mm.
馅儿饼、
Sharbing.
烙饼、
Sharbing. I believe
面条。
sharbing is the one that looks like a pancake, but it's got stuffing inside.
面条，
Yantar is maybe the pulled dough
Noodle.
soup.
It's not soup.
面条，
Miantar.
noodle，
Good job, sweetie.
奶奶，我不能，
你不包了啊？
我还要做。另外这个
You need to practice, sweetie.
In
小
Chinese,
果，
数学
嗯，
哎呀，学数学去吧，别慌了。这饺子都坏了，都慌坏了，知道吗？
我 Oreo, stop messing me up.
去学数学吧，不包了。
Okay, math, sweetie. The Jowza disappeared before I had a chance to get video of us eating the Jowza.